Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. And indicators showed a faint possibility of a shift in longer-term bias from bearish to bullish. It was quite early to tell, and $20.34 and $23.1 remain levels to beat. The overall market conditions still read to fear and uncertainty. Hence, risk-averse investors could wait for buying opportunities. Flipping $23.1 to support would be an encouraging sign for bulls, and a buying opportunity in preparation for a run upwards. And second news will this weekend of lower liquidity see Polkadot push past $19. Polkadot climbed past $17. 5 on the charts, and flipped it to support before its move toward $19, but buying pressure seemed to be lacking in the near-term outlook. Bitcoin was trading just above the $39K mark, and the short-term direction of the king of crypto on the charts was not too clear either. Weekends are also times of lower liquidity. Will Polkadot's rally push past $19, or was the selling pressure likely to be dominant? In the past week, Polkadot had traded within a range from $16.17 to $17.57. This midpoint of this range was at $16.87, and had some confluence with a longer-term support level at $16.81. In the past few days, DOT has found some support at this confluence of support levels. On the first attempt at a breakout past the range highs, DOT was unable to hold on to the range highs when $17.6 was flipped to support. Bitcoin saw pullback to $38.8K from $42K, and DOT was forced lower as well. On its second attempt, the price was able to establish a higher high, near term, and also find demand at $17.6, which meant that the short-term market structure was bullish. To the north, the $19 area posed significant resistance to the bull's endeavors. Therefore, a near-term buying opportunity could arise at this level were flipped to support. To the south, the $17.6 would need to remain unbroken for DOT to climb higher. A session close below $17. 6 could see DOT fall back towards $16.2. The RSI stood at 62.16 and showed strong bullish momentum in recent hours. However, it also displayed a bearish divergence between price and momentum. The Awesome Oscillator also appeared to be forming a lower peak even as the price pushed higher. Alongside, the OBV showed that buying volume has not been particularly high after the retest of $17.6. Million DOT tokens contributed at the end of the auction, making it the third parachain by the amount of DOT contributions so far. The project is focused on innovating and taking DeFi usability to the next level, with a more secure and user-friendly decentralized platform to appeal to the masses. With parallel finance on board, PairState hopes to increase the participation of users from the Polkadot ecosystem in the Geminis network crowdloan, as well as promote long-term cooperation between both platforms. About Parallel Finance. Parallel Finance is a technology company that specializes in decentralized finance-related services and products, which include lending, trading, staking, and derivatives. But it could be in the days to come. Even past $20.34, the $23.1 area would still be likely to offer strong resistance. The RSI poked its head above the neutral 50 mark. This could be an early indication that the long-term trend could be on the verge of shifting. The Awesome Oscillator also crossed above the zero line, which could again be seen as a signal of a shift in bias. There remains a long way to go, though. The OBV has been sliding downward since November, but in the past 2 weeks, it offered the possibility that buyers were slowly entering the market. They weren't the dominant side yet, though. Conclusion: the price action coin continues to be its parachain auctions. These are currently in their third round, 13th auction. This is where, regardless of the consistency over the last 21 days, investors haven't cared much to make any major moves on the network. Even if the spike of November is disregarded, on-chain transactions have observed a decline nevertheless. The average has dropped from over 200K to a little over 100K. Now, when compared to other networks, this figure is still huge. However, given how well Polkadot was doing when the Bitcoin, Polkadot doesn't have smart contract features. The essence of DOT is the central relay chain. It provides infrastructure able to support up to 100 other blockchains at once. Security, governance, and cross-chain communication technology. All blockchains that connect to Polkadot can communicate with each other, known as parachains. Communication was a big unsolved problem in crypto, as it limits the applications and mass adoption. But DOT's interoperability allows pair chains to transfer any data or assets with ease. The DOT technology in a nutshell. Pair chain auctions first started, the decline certainly is disappointing. Investors, are you awake? This has been triggered by the lack of liveliness among investors, something consequently reflected in the transactions conducted throughout the day. Some 22K to 23K investors have been active on the network over the last week. This is a significant drop down from its earlier numbers. Even so, since both the token and the network are doing well currently, the lack of participation might not be a trigger for a relapse. DOT can continue to rise or at the very least, consolidate around its current position. The reason a relapse is likely to occur is that the overall volatility is presently at its lowest point in over 16 months. Ref. Chains. Parallel Finance is a leader in the development and innovation of DeFi for the adoption of the Web3 revolution, and plans to bring DeFi to 1 billion people. About Pair State, known as Ethereum on steroids. Pair State is a multi-chain smart contract platform bridging the application and developer ecosystem between Polkadot, Substrate, and Ethereum, as well as other chains wanting to provide Ethereum compatibility. While supporting the EVM palette to provide seamless compatibility with all existing Ethereum applications, Pair State also provides developers with a next-gen smart contract implementation environment, Ethereum-flavored WebAssembly. These two infrastructures are ensured to talk to each other and share the same account system on Pair State. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.